What up, everybody? Justin here with bearzapperbbq. I hope you are having a great day. We've got it's Wednesday, so Wednesday obviously steak day. It's in the books. Like we know it's a thing, and if it's not yet, it will be. We got 2 ribeyes here. Whoop. That we're gonna be hitting with some of that. All right, guys, absolutely freaking killer AP rub. Super pumped. My kids love it. We love it. Can't find much better, to be totally honest. So, if you're looking for awesome meat, head on over to the links in my bio. Grab yourself some amazing Wagyu or some prime beef, as well as some Iberico pork. And then if you're looking for just simply the absolute best seasonings on the market, look no further than Lane's. I promise you they have something for everybody and anybody who's anybody is crushing it with Lane's. Do it. All right, we've hit it with the rub. Super pumped. We're letting the egg come up to temperature. We're going to flip this over in just a few minutes, season the other side, and get it on that egg. All right, we put the ribeyes on. Got it around 250 right now. Let's let it cook. All right, we hit 125 internal. God, look at these things. They're beautiful. Now we're going to throw them, we're going to let them rest a bit, and then we're going to throw them in a cast iron skillet. I'm going to put the skillet on here, throw some butter, and we're going to sear it. It's going to be awesome. All right, we got that cast iron skillet heating up real nice. Throw some butter in there. Then we're gonna toss the steaks back on and sear them on this. All right, we got it on the cast iron. The flame's getting real hot. Looking beautiful. All right, we took it out of the cast iron. We're slicing it up. Look at that. Absolutely tender, juicy, amazing. There you go. Beautiful.